Hi, it's Giles here from getwellfromme.com. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's sent in all your lovely messages about the videos I've been doing about ME. It's been really great to hear from you all, and hopefully I've replied to you all by now. A lot of you have been suggesting that between the actual videos about ME, when I'm thinking about what I'm going to say, I'm putting together all my thoughts about ME, that maybe I could do a few little video blogs, more personal ones, about what I'm actually getting up to, about my own experiences. So we're here on the North Sea on a 26-foot westerly griffin with John and with Ken, and we're sailing round from Felixstowe Ferry, which is on the mouth of the River Deben, round to Levington on the River Orwell.
Big rolls in a minute. There you go.
Felixstowe's actually got 5 miles of really lovely coastline. I used to do a lot of sailing when I was a teenager. I used to sail lark dinghies when I was at school at Woodbridge. And also used to sail with my family up on the Norfolk Broads, which was great. Haven't done any sailing for all these years that I've had ME until this year again. And thankfully I'm finding that I'm not getting seasick. And so far, my strength is okay. I know my stamina isn't as good as it can be, but it's great just to be able to go out and be on the water again. I love the feeling of freedom you get when you're out on the water like this, especially on the sea. I'm not too keen when it's too choppy though. And it's great having the power of the wind on the sails as well.